Good day everyone, I am Kay Galiza Nazareno from BSCS 4A.
And today I am going to discuss about operating system. An operating system or an OS is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drivers and printers. So an operating system has three main functions. Number one, they manage the computer's resources such as the central processing unit, memory, disk drives, and printers. Second is to establish a user interface. And lastly, to execute and provide service for application software. Is operating system important? The operating system helps us to control and connect with the Internet of Things around us. And let's not forget the application which needs an operating system to provide system services as well as linkage to its dependencies, the required software, libraries, runtime components, and device drivers. OS and different types of an OS. So operating system is system software which acts as an interface between a user of the computer and the computer hardware. So the main purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which we can execute programs. Types of operating system. Number one is batch operating system. Second, time-sharing operating system. Third is distributed operating system. Fourth is network operating system, and lastly, real-time operating system. Of multiprocessor system. The advantages of the multiprocessing system are increased throughput by increasing the number of processors, more work can be completed in a unit time, cost saving, parallel system shares the memory buses, peripherals, and etc. The graphical user interface is a form of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and audio indicators such as primary notation instead of text-based user interface type command labels or text navigation. Different kinds of operations that are possible in semaphores. Semaphores are integer variables that are used to solve the critical section problem by using two atomic operations, wait and signal, that are used for process synchronization. The wait operation decrements the value of its argument s if it is positive. If s is negative or 0, then no operation is performed. In an operating system, a deadlock occurs when a process or thread enters a waiting state because a requested system resource is held by another waiting process, which in turn is waiting for another resource held by another waiting process. Conditions for deadlock: mutual exclusion, hold and wait, no preemption, circular wait. These are four conditions must hold simultaneously for the occurrence of deadlock. Process synchronization is a way to coordinate processes that use shared data. It occurs in an operating system among cooperating processes. Computer memory is categorized into primary and secondary memory, while primary memory is in the main memory of the computer, which is used to store data or information temporarily. What is virtual memory? It is a section of volatile memory created temporarily on the storage drive. It is created when a computer is running many processes at once and RAM is running low. A thread is a basic unit of CPU utilization consisting of a program counter, a stack, and a set of registers, and a thread ID. Traditional heavyweight processes have a single thread of control. Scheduling algorithm and different types of scheduling algorithm. The method used to determine which of several processes, each of which can safely have a resource allocated to it, will actually be granted use of the resource. There are 6 types of scheduling algorithms: first come, first serve; second, shortest job first; third is shortest remaining time; fourth is priority scheduling; and fifth, round robin scheduling; and lastly, multi-level queue scheduling. Multitasking is an operating system that manages all the necessary operations of a computer system using multiple processors. While multiprocessing, this system does parallel execution of multiple tasks on different processors. Semaphores are integer variables that are used to solve the critical section problem by using two atomic operations. There are 5 types of kernel. Number 1, the monolithic kernel; 2, microkernel; 3, hybrid kernel; 4, exokernel; and lastly, nanokernel. A process in the simplest term is an executing program, while thread is the basic unit to which the operating system allocates processor